The 3D video shows a resort design in Raja Ampat Design by Anjani Interior Design. This video shows a resort building located in a beautiful natural environment, highlighting the harmony between architecture and the surrounding nature. The building structure uses natural materials such as wood, which adds authenticity and natural beauty. The open layout of the resort with balconies or terraces facing the sea, providing stunning views. The minimalist yet elegant design highlights the natural aesthetics of the Raja Ampat environment. The use of large glass to provide natural lighting and maximize the view of the sunset or sunrise at sea. Overall, this design displays a relaxed and harmonious atmosphere, suitable for a vacation that focuses on natural beauty and comfort, with a modern touch from Anjani Interior Design. Anjani Workshop is a craft and furniture manufacturing center that prioritizes quality and professionalism. Almost all workers here come from Jepara, Java, which is known as the best wood craftsman center in Indonesia. With high skills and years of experience, they are able to produce beautiful, durable, and artistic furniture products. Anjani Workshop's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction makes it the main choice for custom and premium quality furniture needs. The quality of Anjani wood is very well maintained and is one of the main advantages of this workshop. They use selected wood, such as teak, mahogany, and high-quality imported wood that has gone through a strict selection process. The wood used is certified and professionally processed to ensure strength, durability, and natural beauty. With expert handling and the best materials, products from Anjani Workshop have a high level of durability and beauty. Anjani's projects are already very well known and have been worked on for various projects such as hotels, villas, and resorts. The trust of various developers and property owners proves the quality and professionalism of Anjani Workshop. Many clients are satisfied with the results of their work because they always prioritize quality, expertise, and punctuality. This reputation further strengthens their position as one of the best furniture workshops from Bali, widely known for their high-quality products and satisfactory services. You can visit Anjani Workshop located at JL Tringain, East Denpasar, to see firsthand the work process and product quality. In addition, their official showroom is located at JL Raya Karabakan number 89, Kuta, Bali, where you can see various product examples and consult directly for custom furniture needs.
too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
By the sunlight